The AOBEN SDS-Plus Rotary Hammer Drill is a robust tool equipped with a powerful 10-amp, 1100-watt motor designed to handle heavy-duty projects on concrete, masonry, and metal. Ease of operation is a standout feature of this tool, with 3 function modes that can be easily switched, ensuring longevity with its double switch buttons. The ergonomic design of the AOBEN SDS-Plus Rotary Hammer Drill, featuring a rubber and 360-degree adjustable handle, ensures less fatigue during long or complex projects. The toolkit that comes with this drill includes 3 drill bits of varying sizes, a flat chisel, a point chisel, a dirt-proof boot, motor lubricant, and 2 spare carbon brushes, all neatly stored in a portable carrying case. This professional rotary hammer is multifunctional, suitable for use on wood, masonry, concrete, and steel, with a maximum drilling diameter of 1 1/4 inches for concrete and 1/2 inch for metal. AOBEN provides a warranty service of 24 months, affirming the reliability and quality of their SDS-Plus rotary hammer drill.